It is the second major item in Bharatanatyam repertoire and is beautiful combination of jatis and swaras, that is rhythm and melody. Unlike expressive items, Jatiswaram does not portray a story or emotion. It highlights the dancer's command over footwork, posture, balance, coordination, agility, and graceful movements. The intricate rhythmic patterns and swara passages are woven together to create a visually captivating performance. It serves as a bridge between the pure rhythmic opening pieces and the expressive items that follow in the recital, showcasing the dancer's technical skill and precision. Presenting Jatiswaram in Ragam, Vasanta and Tala Rupakam, a vibrant composition by Tanjar Quartet beautifully blends rhythm and melody through pure dance. Please welcome our Bharatanatyam dancers with a big round of applause.
Sa ni ra pa ra ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma ga ma pa ga ni sa ni ra pa ra ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga
జం తరిత తకుందరి కుకుందరి కిట తక తత హత జం తరితై తకుందరి కుకుందరి కిట తక తా హత జం తరిత జం తరి జక తరితై తచ్చం తరి తక జం తరి తక నం తరి తక నం తరి త ది తక దికు తదింగిణ తోం త ది తక దికు తదింగిణ తోం త ది తక దికు తదింగిణ తోం
us a young man named Kalidasa, simple, unlettered, mocked by everyone around him, married to a princess who soon discovered he could not read a single word. He was sent away in shame. Broken and desperate, he reached a temple of goddess Saraswati and prayed with nothing but pure devotion. Moved by his sincerity, the goddess touched his tongue with her own hand, and in that instant he was transformed. From that simple man rose Kalidasa, one of the India's greatest poets, whose words in Shakuntalam and Meghdut still move us today. This is why every art begins with an invocation to Saraswati. For talent is not just practiced, it is blessed. May her grace be with us here today as we begin with Saraswati Stuti in Ragam Aradi and Talam Rupakam.
श्री सरस्वती नमोस्तुते वरदे श्री सरस्वती नमोस्तुते वरदे श्री सरस्वती नमोस्तुते वरदे श्री सरस्वती नमोस्तुते वरदे श्री सरस्वती नमोस्तुते श्री सरस्वती नमोस्तुते परदे वदे श्रीपदे गौरे वदे गुरुगुहविनुदे विधियुवरे श्री सरस्वती नमोस्तुते परदे वदे श्रीपदे गौरे वदे गुरुगुहविनुदे विधियुवरे श्री सरस्वती वासनाकय विवर्जित वरमुनिभावित मूर्ते वासनाकय विवर्जित वरमुनिभावित मूर्ते वासनाकय विवर्जित वरमुनिभावित मूर्ते वासवार्य किल निर्जद वरवितरण बहुकीर्ते वासवार्य किल निर्जद वरवितरण बहुकीर्ते धरहासयुतमुखा गुरुवे अद्भुत चरणा गुरुवे संहार विद्यापहे सकलमत्राक्षर गुरे संसार विद्यापहे सकलमत्राक्षर गुरे श्री सरस्वती नमोस्तुते परदे वदे श्रीपदे गौरे वदे गुरुगुहविनुदे विधियुवरे श्री सरस्वती नमोस्तुते सरस्वती नमोस्तुते देवी
We now move from pure dance into the world of expression. Shabdam, where every gesture, every expression tells us a story. Today's story is on Lord Krishna and his childhood mischief. Shabdam is the first expressive Abhinaya item in the Bharatanatyam repertoire. It marks the transition from pure dance, Nritta, to expressive storytelling, Nritya. शब्दम से शब्द आता है, अर्थात यह वो नृत्य नाटिका है जो भाव द्वारा बयां की जाती है. In this item, the dancers uses facial expression, gestures, mudras, body movements and emotions to convey the meaning of the lyrics. The performance is a beautiful combination of rhythm, melody and expression, allowing the audience to connect with the story or devotional theme being portrayed. This Shabdam is based on Lord Krishna and his Leelas. Like Gopikas is going to bathe in the river, while the Lord Krishna is stealing their clothes and hiding on top of the trees. And they complain, why are you behaving like this? In the next episode, the Krishna is stealing the makhan, and then again Gopikas are complaining about him to his mother. Then he is holding and coming on the way when milkmaids are walking on the road. And why is he doing such pranks? While he is the Lord of Universe, does this kind of prank suits him? Finally, he is the Lord of Universe, Padmanabha Swami, whose wife is Lord Lakshmi. And in this Shabdam, we praise our deity, King, Guru, and helps the dancer to develop the art of conveying emotions through dance. Presenting Shabdam in Ragam Kamboji and Mishra Chal, where rhythm meets expression and every gesture tells us the story. Please welcome our dancers with a warm round of applause.
Thank you. श्रीपद्मनाभ नमोऽस्तुते तलाङ्कुजं तदिङ्गिनदों तत्तिल्लं तगुन्दरिगिडतगतगदिल्लं तगुन्दरिगिडतगरत्तिल्लं तगुन्दरिगिडतगतगदिल्लं तगुन्दरिगिडतगतद्दिल्लं तगुन्दरिगिडतगतगरिल्लं तगुन्दरिगिडत तलाङ्कुजं तगतदिगिडतों तत्तेयतेयो तत्तता
And now, our grand finale, full of energy and devotion. Manduka Shabdam tells the story of Gajendra Moksham, the most beautiful example of surrender and faith. This is the story of two frogs in the pond, narrating the story in the beautiful forest with flowers, with its fragrance. As the dance unfolds, the story of Gajendra Moksham is a revered episode from Bhagavatamela, often portrayed through classical dance as a piece of deep devotion and surrender. It tells the story of Gajendra, the elephant king, who while bathing in a sacred lake is caught by the leg by a crocodile. Despite his immense strength, Gajendra cannot free himself. In his moment of utter helplessness, he lets go of his pride and calls out Lord Vishnu with pure, unconditional surrender. Lord Vishnu descends in the celestial vehicle, Garuda, kills the crocodile, that is Makara, with his Sudarshan Chakra and liberates the elephant. This story reminds us that true strength lies not in resistance but in surrender. That we call out with a sincere heart, divine always answers. It is a fitting theme for today's ceremony as our dancer takes their own first steps to surrender their art, her guru, and the divine. This composition is attributed to Melatur Bharata Tanimata Kavi, which will be followed by Mangalam, the final Namaskaram. So, in Raga Mohana and Tala Mishra Chapu, we present Manduka Shabdam. This is our grand finale. Let us put our hands together and welcome all our dancers.
Diggy 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 tam tat tam
तद्धनं धिमितकतजन्तरि हें तजकतरि जगतकुकुन्तरि कुकुन्ततकुन्तरि तकुन्तकिटतरि तातेयि ततता तातेति ततता तातेति ततता तन्नन ಕಿಡತಗ ಜಗ ಡಗ 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 ಡಗಂ ಕಿಡತಗ ಜಗ 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 ಜಗಂ ಕಿಡತಗ ತಗ ನಗ ನಗ ನಗಂ ಕಿಡತಗ ಜಗ 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 ಡಗಂ ಕಿಡತಗ ಜಗ 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 ಜಗಂ ತಗ ನಗ 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 ಡಗ 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 ಜಗ 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 ತಗಂ ಕಿಡತಗ ನಗಂ ಕಿಡತಗ ಡಗಂ ಕಿಡತಗ ಜಗಂ ಕಿಡತಗ ತಗ ನಗ ನಗ ಡಗ 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 ಜಗ 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 ಬಾಹು ಯದೋ ಬಾಹು ಬಾಹು ಯದೋ ಬಾಹು ಇಲಗೂಗ ಮಂಡೂಗ ಮುಲುಗೋ ಶಿವಪಗ ಡರ್ರ 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 ಡಾ ಕುಕುಡಾ ಕುಡಿ ಕುಕುಡೆ ಕುಡಿ ಕುಕು ಡರ್ರ 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 ಡಾ ಕುಕುಡಾ ಕುಡಿ ಕುಕುಡೆ ಕುಡಿ ಕುಕು ಉಗ್ರ ಶಾಪ ಮುದೋಗ ಚೇಂದ್ರುಡು ಭದ್ರುಡೈ ಬಲ ಮಕರಿ ಛೇದನು ಉಗ್ರ ಶಾಪ ಮುದೋಗ ಚೇಂದ್ರುಡು ಭದ್ರುಡೈ ಬಲ ಮಕರಿ ಛೇದನು ಮಕರಿ ಛೇದನು ಉಗ್ರ ಶಾಪ ಮುದೋಗ ಚೇಂದ್ರುಡು ಭದ್ರುಡೈ ಬಲ ಮಕರಿ ಛೇದನು ಉಗ್ರ ಶಾಪ ಮುತೋ ಭದ್ರುಡೈ ಬಲ ಉಗ್ರ ಶಾಪ ಮುದೋಗ ಚೇಂದ್ರುಡು ಉಗ್ರ ಶಾಪ ಮುತೋ ಗಜೇಂದ್ರುಡು ಭದ್ರುಡೈ ಬಲ ಮಕರಿ ಛೇದನು ಉಗ್ರ ಶಾಪ ಮುತೋ ಗಜೇಂದ್ರುಡು ಭದ್ರುಡೈ ಬಲ ಉಗ್ರ ಶಾಪ ಮುತೋ ಗಜೇಂದ್ರುಡು ಭದ್ರುಡೈ ಬಲ ಮಕರಿ ಛೇದನು ಉಗ್ರ ಶಾಪ ಮುತೋ ಗಜೇಂದ್ರುಡು ಭದ್ರುಡೈ ಬಲ ಮಕರಿ ಛೇದನು ಬಲ ಮಕರಿ ಛೇದನು ಉಗ್ರ ಶಾಪ ಮುತೋ ಗಜೇಂದ್ರುಡು ಭದ್ರುಡೈ ಬಲ ಮಕರಿ ಛೇದನು
ತಾಕಿಡತಗ ತರಿಗಿಡ ಕಿಡತಗ
ಚಾತ ವ್ಯಸನ ಚೇತಿ ಚಕ್ರಮು ಚಾತ ಮಕರಿನೆ ಸೌಗರ್ಯ ಚಿನ ಮಹಿಮನು ಚಾತ ವ್ಯಸನ ಚೇತಿ ಚಕ್ರಮು ಚೇತ ಮಕರಿನೆ ಸೌಗರ್ಯ ಚಿನ ಮಹಿಮನು ವೇಣುತಾಹುತ ತಗ ತರಿತಕಿನ ಜಾನಕಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಭುಜ ಬಲ ಭೀಮ ಧನಾಭಿರಾಮ ಜಯ ರಘುರಾಮ ಶ್ರೀ ರಘುರಾಮ ವರ ಕೋದಂಡ ಜಾನಕಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಭುಜ ಬಲ ಭೀಮ ಧನ ಅಭಿರಾಮ ಜಯ ರಘುರಾಮ ಶ್ರೀ ರಘುರಾಮ ವರ ಕೋದಂಡ ರಾಮ ದೇ ಸಲಾಂ ದೇ ಸಲಾಂ ದೇ ಸಲಾಂ ದೇ ಸಲಾಂ
ತಾಕಿಡತಗ ಧಾಕಿಡ ಕಿಡತಗ ಜೈ ಕಿಡತಗ ಜೈ ಕಿಡ ಕಿಡತಗ ತಾಕಿಡತಗ ತರಿಗಿಡ ಕಿಡತಗ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣ ತೊಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣ ತೊಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣ ತೊಂ ತಾಕಿಡತಗ ಧಾಕಿಡ ಕಿಡತಗ ಜೈ ಕಿಡತಗ ಜೈ ಕಿಡ ಕಿಡತಗ ತಾಕಿಡತಗ ತರಿಗಿಡ ಕಿಡ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣ ತೊಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣ ತೊಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣ ತಾಕಿಡತಗ ಧಾಕಿಡ ಕಿಡತಗ ಜೈ ಕಿಡತಗ ಜೈ ಕಿಡ ತಾ ಕಿಡ ತಗ ತರಿ ಕಿಡ ಕಿಡ ತಗ ತಕ್ಕ ತದಿ ಕಿನ್ನ ತೊಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತದಿ ಕಿನ್ನ ತೊಂ ತದ ತದಿ ಕಿನ್ನ ತೊಂ
ಮಂಗಳಂ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಕೋಸಲೇಂದ್ರ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಮಂಗಳಂ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಕೋಸಲೇಂದ್ರ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಮಂಗಳಂ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಕೋಸಲೇಂದ್ರ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಮಂಗಳಂ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ರಘುರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಜಯ ಮಂಗಳಂ ನಿತ್ಯ ಶುಭ ಮಂಗಳಂ 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 ಶುಭ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಜಯ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಮಂಗಳಂ ರಾಮ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಕೌಸಲ್ಯಾತ್ಮಜ ಸೀತಾಪದೇ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಕೋದಂಡರಾಮ ಭರತ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ ಸೋದರ ಶ್ರೀರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ರಾಮ ರಾಮ
Namaste to everyone gathered here. It is my privilege to welcome the distinguished guest who has graced this occasion with their presence. I here call upon our chief guest, Sri Jyoti Venkatesh Sir. Mr. Jyoti Venkatesh Sir is an eminent film and entertainment journalist and film critic. He is a senior movie and entertainment journalist for 54 years as a freelancer. Born and brought up in Mumbai, living in Kandivali for the last 32 years. Let us welcome him with a big round of applause. Sir, kindly come on the stage. I now call upon our next chief guest, that is Rajendra Naidu sir. We welcome Guru Rajendra Naidu sir, an exponent of Bharatanatyam, born in Tamil Nadu. He began his journey into this art from at the age of 5, training for over a decade under the legendary late Sri
Adhyar K. Lakshman Rao, and later, under his own father, the late Guru T.V. Soundarya Rajan, at Mumbai University, where he earned a gold medal in his Master of Fine Arts. He currently serves as a faculty at Bharata College of Fine Arts and Research Center and has choreographed acclaimed ballet including Satyavan Savitri and Sri Ramanuj Vaibhavam. He has been honored with the Nehru Century Award and the title Sur Shringar Natya Kala Tilak, and his lifelong devotion to this classical art form continues to inspire the generation of the dancers. I would now like to call upon the Gurus, Guru Shashi Bala Ramesh, Director of the Lavanya Institution of Dance Art. She holds a Master in Performing Art with the gold medal in Bharatanatyam and has been teaching this art form for 37 years. Beyond the stage, she has pursued the healing power of the dance itself, earning a PG diploma in the expressive art therapy from St. Xavier College, is a certified Zen counselor, and has worked with patients at the Psychiatrist Award of Mansi Hospital for over a decade. She currently serves a faculty at Bharata College of Fine Arts and Research Center and as an artist director of the Lyotas Lavanya Institution of Dance Art. Truly a guru who has shown us the dance can heal as much as it can express. I here now call upon Guru Uma Devi. Mudra Nritya Kala Kendra is dedicated to nurturing the beauty and the discipline of Indian classical dance. Under the guidance of Guru Uma Devi, students receive training in Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam, and Kuchipudi. The institution focused on building the strong, fundamental, graceful expression and confidence in every student. Along with the dance technique, students learn the value of devotion, discipline, and respect for our culture heritage. Regular performance at the temple and the culture event provides valuable stage experience. Mudra Nritya Kala Kendra strives to inspire every student to grow as a skilled dancer and a responsible individual. Here now I would like to call upon Guru Vijay Shankar. Past 4 decades, he is into the field of the dance of Kuchipudi. Exponent Guru Vijay Shankar sir from Mumbai, a versatile exponent of Kuchipudi, Kathakali, and Bharatanatyam, and a dance teacher, singer, choreographer, actor, anchor, senior artist critic, impresario, and motivational speaker, all rolled into one, a recipient of national award and honor. He has spent over 4 decades promoting the national integration and global peace through the lecture and demonstration on Indian classical dance. It is rare to find one person wearing so many artistic hats with such a mastery, and we are truly privileged to have him here with us today. Now we have here Guru Vidyashri Ram. I would like to call upon Director of Nritya Veda Dance Academy, trained under the stalwarts including the Srimati Leena Ma Philip and Sri Vaibhav Arkar, and currently under S.P. Srinivasam sir. She holds her Koveda from Nalanda Mahakala Vidyalaya
and Visharad from the Gandharva University. She founded the Nritya Veda in 2006 and Kirti Vision in 2009 and has had the honor of performing alongside Padma Shri Hema Malini in the several mythology dance ballet. Her brief that dance is a universal language has taken her from Pune Festival to the platform in the United States and even into the workshop of the visualizing impaired children, truly using this art form to serve a wider purpose. A warm welcome to Seema Nair Madam, whose presence adds to our richness of this gathering. Thank you all once again for gracing this occasion with your presence and your blessings. Thank you.
We would like to felicitate all our chief guests. Sir, please say 2 words to our audience.
Good afternoon, the entire audience. Frankly, I am coming here for the first time, and I am enormously impressed not only by the auditorium, but also by the kind of performance that the kids have put up in front of the audience today. Kudos to the trainer who has trained them. And I will say without any, I won't say without any hesitation, that these students who have performed today in front of us are no less than Padmini, Ragini, Vaijantimala, Hema Malini, all these eternal actresses. I am taking their name because I am an entertainment journalist and I have watched them perform the dance so many times. So my best wishes to all of them, and also the teacher who has trained them so well, and also to this August auditorium people, because I thought Mira Road was lagging behind in all facilities, but it is an eye-opener that Lata Mangeshkar Auditorium is today serving a human service to the auditorium people. I mean, people who are coming to the auditorium. Otherwise, there was a time when people used to go all the way to Shanmukananda Hall or Andheri or Villaparla. But now, the people who are in Mira Road have their own auditorium in the form of Lata Mangeshkar Auditorium. And thank you very much, Subheta ji and others, for having invited me as the chief guest here. Generally, I don't talk much because journalists, we are used to only writing. But today, I am inspired to talk in front of this August auditorium, in this August auditorium. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon to all of you. I know all of you must be really hungry because I can see enough of people already moving out. So I wouldn't like to talk too much. Well, in today's world of Spice Girls and Michael Jacksons, it's really amazing to watch, such a devoted teacher like Subita ji here. A lot of parents are here. I would say that classical dance is not a distraction to your academic studies. If you learn classical dance or music, you can study much better because classical dance is a fine, recreation. It energizes you, it rejuvenates you. It's a fine combination of the mind, body, and spirit. So, to all the youngsters here who have performed, all the best, and may Lord Ganesha, Lord Nataraj, and Goddess Saraswati, Parvati, everyone bless all of us. Thank you.
I would like to call all the students on the stage for a group photo.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harshini Reddy, and thank you all for your support and encouragement. May you give me blessings for my future endeavors in my Kuchipudi journey. Thank you.
Good afternoon and namaskar everyone. My name is Ritisha Kaushal. Thank you for being my audience, which is really important since I'll finally received my gurus. Dhanyavad.
Namaste, I am Garima Pandey, daughter of Srimati Shashi Pandey and Shri Suresh Pandey. I am deeply blessed to have Rasikas like you encouraging me. Dhanyavad.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sanvi Nayak, daughter of Subramanya Nayak and Seema Nayak. Thank you for coming to see my dance. Thank you.
Hello everyone and namaskar. Myself Mika Sawant, a class of Standard 7. I am so blessed to learn the sacred art of Bharatnatyam under the brilliant guidance of my Guru Srimati Subita Murli. Thank you teacher for your support for a patience and learning the dance is a form of prayer. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all present here. My name is Nishita Perumal. I'm the daughter of Rita Perumal and Rajesh Perumal. I'm studying in 9th standard. I would like to thank my guru Srimati Subita Murli for teaching us such a beautiful dance. Bharatanatyam is not just a form of entertainment, it is a form of divine art form which connects us to our roots in our history and our spirituality. Thank you.
Namaskar everybody, I am Advaita Chandrakant Ovar, daughter of Deepa Chandrakant Ovar and Chandrakant Sahibra Ovar. On this special day of my life, I'll thank my God, my parents and my guru. Thank you to teach me a special art of Kuchipudi. Thank you.
I know she said she called out kids, but I just want to introduce myself. My name is Meghna. I'm the oldest disciple of Srimati Subita Murli, but young at heart. So that's why I wanted to introduce myself. And I'm actually very happy and thrilled to be on the stage. Subita ma'am had given me this opportunity to also live my dream, which in the next year I'll be performing my Arangetram, and she's going to guide me on that. So that's what I wanted to announce. And of course, this puja and this dance is dedicated to my father, who's sitting there. He's 85 years old. He has come to see my performance, who was the first man who actually took my fingers and said, "You can dance." So thank you so much.
So, dear friends, as this beautiful evening draws to a close, I extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone present here who made this day so memorable. My deepest thanks to our honorable chief guest, respected gurus, who graced this occasion with their presence, wisdom, and words of encouragement despite their busy schedules. Your support means world for us. To our talented musicians who brought this performance to life through their artistry, thank you for elevating every moment with your music. Thank you so much. To our talented makeup artist and their team, especially I need to mention with Anil sir, we had Shama Chechi also, who did all the hairstyles for all the girls, all those beautiful girls. Thank you, Shama Chechi and Anil sir, for the beautiful faces and the costumes. Whole credit goes to the whole family of makeup artists with Pooja Pandya. To our parents, for your endless love, patience and sacrifices, and for trusting Saraswati Kala Kendra with your children's artistic journey. You are a true backbone of this event. A great round of applause for all the parents. To the assistant teachers and the senior most students and the team of Saraswati Kala Kendra for your dedication in shaping every step and moment. Thank you so much. All of you who helped us arranging the whole program today, right from morning 7 a.m. To everyone working backstage for the lighting, sound, costume, countless unseen efforts, this event would have not been possible without you. To my dear students whose hard work and dedications we celebrate today, I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a nice day, and have a nice lunch also. Please. Thank you so much.